Want to ask your friends or group members something in a fun way? WhatsApp polls let you get answers instantly. Let me show you how to create and send a poll on WhatsApp. So first of all, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. After that, open your WhatsApp app. Then choose any contact or chat where you want to create a poll, or in a single chat, individual chat, or in a group, wherever you want. Then click on the here. All right, then choose poll. All right, then on the first is option is question. So whatever you want to ask, so here I will type a question like how old are you. For example, I select this one, then I add a question mark, and option 1 is 15 to 20, or the second one is 25 to 40. All right, then if you want to add more options, more question options, all right, then you can add. Otherwise you can just click on the send button, then you can click here. After this, you can see your poll is created on WhatsApp. So this is the way that shows how you can create easily polls and get quick response on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial useful, tap like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tricks. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.